Tommy Lee Baker. I have been wanting to visit for years since I follow his Instagram. Now my wish has finally come true. Tommy serves one of the very few authentic French bread in town, the sourdough, and spice it up with various recipes of toppings. This is located at Kampung Attap, the new trendy artsy place, and they're co-sharing the space with a cute and chic creative store. So if you want to look-see people, this is the place.
You can find all the information about the role and our company online. Please feel free to familiarize yourself with our history.
We order a sourdough cheese platter with coffee. The platter is 28 ringgit or around 7 USD, which I think is in fair price. Look at it, so much food. And we get, pardon my cheese knowledge, a brie, or maybe it's cumberbatch, a gouda, salted butter, garlic cheese, and goat cheese. That goat cheese is really hot for me, and some tomato slice. The sourdough is right at its place, crunchy on the side and soft at the middle. It's paired really well when you put multiple cheese on it. It basically is a full meal for us instead of high tea. Ugh, I'm so full right now. Bye.